Dear students, welcome to my channel Study for Education. Today I discuss with you Madhyamik Geography question paper 2017, 19 and 20. I don't have question 2018 English version. So when I get that paper, I will must give you the answer sheet. So today I discuss with you 2007, 17, then 19 and then 2020. All the MCQ and SAQ with answer. At first I discuss with you 2017 question. So here is the question paper, and at first I discuss with you about the instruction of the paper. Groups A to F are common for both regular and external candidates, and group G is meant only for external candidates. All questions of Group A are compulsory. Candidates should follow the alternatives in other groups. Sightless candidates will answer the alternative questions as per directive in Group F. Others will attempt map pointing. So at first I discuss with you Group A. 1. Write the correct answer from the given alternatives. 1.1 The process by which natural agents reshape the existing landscape over the Earth's surface is known as option A exogenetic process. 1.2 The main erosional process of river over salt dominated rock is option D solution. 1.3 The uppermost layer of heterosphere is hydrogen layer. Next 1.4 The question is the instrument by which humidity of air mass is measured hygrometer. The influence of El Nino is observed in Pacific Ocean. When the distance between Earth and Moon becomes least, the generating tide is called perigean tide. The processes of waste management involve the answer will be all of them, because reuse of waste, recycling of waste and reduction of waste, all three is correct. So answer will be D, all of them. The youngest state of India is B, Telangana. Dust storms of northwest India in summer is called Aadhi. A method followed in India to conserve soil is C, strip cropping. 1.11 The state which ranks first in jowar production in India is Maharashtra. The Silicon Valley of India refers to Bengaluru. The longest national highway in India is National Highway 7, that is NH 7. The RF of a topographical map with 15 minute into 15 minute longitudinal and longitudinal extension is 1:50,000. Now Group B. 2.1 If the statement is true, write capital T, and if false, write capital F against the following. Answer any 6 statements. Sheaf dunes are transformed from Barkhan dunes. This is true. Ozone layer is known as a natural sunscreen. True. The Mediterranean region's rainfall generally occurs in summer. It will false. Straight line alignment of the sun, the moon and the earth is called Sigizzi, and that is true. Most of the rice in India is cultivated in winter as rabi crop. This is false. The most densely populated state of India is West Bengal. This is false. Different symbols are used to show geographical features in satellite images, and this is also false. Now fill in the blanks. Planation of landmass caused by different exogenic forces is called, the answer will be denudation. Next, long, narrow, winding, steep, sided ridges formed by the fluvio-glacial deposits of sands and gravels is called eschar. Dash force of the earth causes secondary high tide. Number 3, the rainfall temperature graph of any place, if the temperature curve becomes downward during mid of the year, then the station lies in dash hemisphere. The answer will be south. Dash force of the earth causes secondary high tide. The answer will be centrifugal. Next, question number 5. The air conditioners emit dash gas into the atmosphere. The answer will be CFC. Answer will be C, F and C. Bhagirathi and Dash river meet at Devaprayag to form the river Ganga. The answer will be Alokananda. Dash city is called as the Manchester of South India. The answer will be Coimbatore. Now 2.3, answer in 1 or 2 words any 6. 1. Name the high land which separates two river systems. Answer will be watershed. What? Answer I write here. Answer will be watershed. What is the relative humidity of saturated air? Answer will be 100%. Next, 3. What type of current originated in tropical ocean? The answer will be warm stream. What type of waste material is plastic? Non-biodegradable. Name of the highest mountain pass in India? The answer will be Khardungla. Where is the largest mangrove forest of the world located? The answer will be Sundarban Reserve Forest, and shortly it is called SRF, Sundarban Reserve Forest. Which soil of India is ideal for cotton cultivation? Black soil. The answer will be black soil. Which roadway has connected Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata? The answer will be Golden Quadrilateral. The answer will be Golden Quadrilateral. Okay, Golden Quadrilateral. Now I discuss with you. Match the column, left column with the right column. ISRO. The answer will be Indian Space Research Organization. Bhembanath. Answer will be Kerala. Andhi. Answer will be Rajasthan. Kandala. The answer will be tax-free port of India, and this is very important. Okay, so now you look the next questions, group C, each question containing 2 marks. This question must be helpful for next year students, for Madhyamik students for next years. Okay, now group do each question containing 3 marks. This is the question paper from 2017. I don't have question 2018. When I get, I'll give you the answer. This is 5 marks question and group E. And the group F is our map pointing. Okay, look it. One is Nilgiri mountain and two river Tapti. 1 and 2, 1 always mountain and 2 is river. So you carefully ready for this type of map. Okay. So, and next is sideless Ganges. Okay. So I next go to the question 2019. Here is the question and then I have question 2020. So 2019 English version. Achha, so here is the question. Group A. 1. The process by which the height of the earth's surface increase in aggradation. Deep cracks on the surface of the mountain glacier are called crevasse. Annual range of temperature remains minimum in equatorial climatic region. Number 4. Cold local wind that blows in Rhone Valley of France is called Mistral. The place where warm and cold ocean currents converge is called cold wall. When the distance between the earth and the moon is fastest, it is called apogee. In human body, contaminated water may cause diarrhea. The main basis of state reorganization in India is language. Next, 1.9. The source of river Ganga is Gangotri Glacier. In India, the largest multi-purpose river valley project is Bakra Nangal. The state which ranks first in production of rice per hectare is West Bengal. The required raw materials of iron and steel industry include all of them. So answer will be iron ore, coal and manganese. So here D, all of them. According to 2011 census, the number of metropolis in India is B53. The latitudinal and longitudinal extension of million sheet topographical map is 4 degree into 4 degree. Now I go group B. Altitude of snowline varies with latitudes. True. Wind velocity is measured with the help of anemometer. True. Salinity of seawater is maximum in equatorial region. True. The highest plateau of India is Deccan Trap is false. The old alluvial soil of Ganga plain is called Bhangar. True. Visakhapatnam is the only tax-free port of India. This is false, because the answer will be Kandala. Red colored lines are used to show roads in satellite images. That is false. Now fill in the blanks. 1. Holes formed by abrasion of river bed are called potholes. This is potholes. Dash is formed by mixing of dust and fog during winter in industrial region. The answer will be fog. 3. Dash current causes snowfall in Newfoundland. The answer will be Labrador. Waste paper is a dash type of waste and the answer will be non-biodegradable. Tropical easterly jet stream forces dash wind to blow over India monsoon. The southernmost point of mainland India is Virgin Cape. Dash is the most populous city of India, Mumbai. Now answer in one or two words. 1. Which type of rainfall is found in temperate zone? Conventional rainfall. Which island of Sundarban was completely submerged due to global warming? Answer will be Ghoramara Island. Which type of natural vegetation is found in the desert region of India? Answer will be acacia. On which quarters of moon does nip tide occur? Third quarter. In which part of the course river Ganga the maximum populated? Low flow. Name one zite for crop of India. Answer is melon or cucumber. Any one you can write. Which state of India leads in rainwater harvesting? The answer Tamil Nadu. Where is the headquarter of Survey of India located? Answer will be Dehradun. Next, here is the match. Prominence of ozone gas. Answer will be stratosphere. Research Institute of Sugarcane. Answer will be Lucknow. Largest automobile manufacturing industrial center. Answer will be Guregaon. Kareva. Answer will be Jammu and Kashmir. Next, group C. You look at the answer. Next, dear students, this question must be helpful to all of you. Each question containing 2 marks. Group C. This is question paper 2019. Now group D. Each question containing 3 marks. Next page. Now group E, each question containing 5 marks. Answer of 2 questions. Okay. You look it carefully. Clear? Now group F, map pointing. I give you answer 2019 and 2020. You get this answer. The playlist to this video's description box. Madhyamik class 10 geography playlist or Madhyamik question paper solved playlist. You can get the answer. Okay, map pointing from 2019 and 2020. Now I discuss with you our next question paper, Geography 2020. Okay. Here is the English version. So first question, the process by which soil and rock layers move down along the slope of highlands by gravity is called mass wasting process. Next, 1.2. In pediplain, low-lying hills of hard rocks remain as residual landform is called Inselberg. Look at the spelling very carefully. Horse latitude is located at a subtropical high pressure belt. Diurnal range of temperature is maximum in hot desert climatic region. 5. The formation of ocean currents depend on all of them are applicable. These 3 are also applicable. Okay. Now 1.6. The time difference between high and low tides at a place is nearly more than 6 hours. Carbon particles emitted by vehicles are controlled by use of scrubber. Parallel of latitude passing through the middle of the India is Tropic of Cancer. Now 1.9. The lake located in between the deltas of Godavari and Krishna river is Koleru. The most extensive method of irrigation practiced in India is wells and tube wells. Western disturbances occur in India during winter season. Salty Sea bridge is needed for sugar cultivation. Petrochemical Industrial Center of West Bengal is located at Haldia. Option D, Haldia. The color used for drawing of contour lines in topographical map is option A, brown. Now I discuss with you Group B. True, false. The confluence of Alakananda and Bhagirathi rivers is at Deoprayag. Answer is true. Mistral is a warm local wind which blows over Rhone Valley in France. False. Floods occur in India in the years of El Nino. True. The position of Sun, Moon and Earth along a straight line is known as Sigizi. True. এটা হচ্ছে সিজিগি. Papers may be manufactured by recycling newspapers as raw material. Answer is true. The soil composed of pebbles, sands and silts found along the foothills of Sibalik is called bed. False. For analysis of satellite imageries, use of computer is mandatory, and this is true. Now, fill in the blanks. The process of modifying landforms by combined action of erosion and weathering is called exogenetic. Oases are formed by dash action of wind, dust storm. With the increase of air pressure gradient, wind velocity dash increase. The cold ocean water from polar region flows as dash current towards equator. The answer is cold current. The longest national highway of India is NH-7. Indian Space Research Center is situated at Bengaluru. In short, electronic waste is known as e-waste. Next, name the largest valley glacier of the world. Lambert Glacier, where in the atmosphere over the Earth's surface ozone hole was first discovered. Antarctic. Name the southernmost mountain pass of Western Ghats. Palghat Gap. What is the local name of the lagoons in Kerala coast? Koyal. Name the highest waterfall of India. Kunchikal. In which city of India underground rain first started its journey? Kolkata. Which is the most populous state of India? Uttar Pradesh. UP. In what form of satellite imagery is produced? FCC. False. Color composite. You write the answer FCC. Now matching. Ratna will be high yielding variety rice seed. Coniferous forest. Answer will be pine. Coniferous forest is pine. Railway coach manufacturing center. Answer will be Perambur. And iron ore exporting port. Answer will be Marmagao. Now you look at the question group C. Each question containing 2 marks. The group C questions, very carefully look. This type of question come. And this question 2020. Here is the question paper. Now group D and each question containing 4 marks. You give the answer of 4 questions. Group E question, each question containing 5 marks, answer 2 questions. And group F, here is the map pointing, 10 pointing is there. You get, I repeat, you get the answer of map pointing. Go to the description box to this video. Madhyamik class 10 geography playlist. You look at it, you go there and you can get the answer from this. Okay. So thank you to look my video.